Hey guys, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018 for free. So yeah, guys, all you gotta do is go to the link in the description, download this file right here. It's going to be a only link, or the first link in the description. I might add my Discord and website. So it's going to be the one on the very top. And so after you download it, you want to go on the Creative Cloud, go to Apps, and press Try on Premiere Pro. I already pressed it, and it'll download. Do not press Start Trial. You want to just close that. You want to go to Files, OS, Program Files, Adobe, and go to the app, or the program. And you want to drag this file into here, and what this does is it gives you the ownership file. I already did this, but as you can see, I did not buy it because it still says start trial, and I can press buy now right here, but obviously I don't need to do that. And to prove this, we'll just start it up, and I have not started the trial, and it does not ask me to start the trial whenever I open it, so I have the full program. It's just, as of now, I added the thing, so it'll open. Alright, let's just wait. And this is not a cracked version either, to my knowledge. It's just a normal thing. And it'll load up in a minute. Since I just opened the file, it's gonna take a second. Alright, now you can do anything you would be able to do. So it's gonna load. It's only taking a while to load is because I just opened the file. So yeah, you can do whatever you can just do as normal. So you guys, that's how you get Adobe for free. And so you guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.